Hey, I'm going to do a Dollar Tree makeover with a gnome. Let's get started. Today we're making over one of the Dollar Tree gnomes with the red tinsel. I took the tinsel off. I'm going to clip in a picture so you know what I'm talking about. Of course, Mason wants to make an appearance because he needs attention. This is loop yarn that I had left over from a Valentine's Day triangle tray I made probably like 3 years ago. Trying to use up that stash. I know you feel me. So I wanted to use it up, and I figured this would be a perfect project. I'm going to quick clip in that tree so you see what I'm talking about. Now this is loop yarn, so it kind of has to stack on top of each other, so you got to pull the loops out. Here I am, I'm taking it, and I'm taking the tail end of the yarn, tying it off in the back, just so that it all stays on. And then I'm going to add a pink nose from a Dollar Tree pick that they had out at Christmas time. They were like rose gold. I think they had them in white and silver and gold or something too, but of course I bought rose gold. I did take off the original plastic nose of this and painted it pink, and I have no idea what I did with it. So I use this instead. And next I'm going to take the beard and comb it out. I think it looks a little greasy, I want to call it. So I comb it all out. Give it a trim. These are my old hair scissors from 1992. They don't cut hair anymore, but I use them for this type of stuff. Boy, did I just date myself. And I give it a little trim because the ends are a little scraggly. And then I do like a swirl-like pattern with my fingers just to give it a little fluff. I think the beard looks so much better when you go ahead and comb it out. It gets rid of that greasy look. I'm going to, after this, put on a heart topper after gluing these little loops. They were MDF hearts that I found in the dollar spot at Target. And they were a pack of 8. 2 red, 2 white, 2 pink, and 2 natural. So I decided to use one of those for the little hat topper. You don't even have to add anything. It's still kind of cute as it is. But I put a nice big glob of glue on her. And you'll also see I split the loop yarn a little bit so that I can glue part of the MDF heart to the plastic hat frame to give it more stability because it's heavy. This is where you could use one of those other Dollar Tree hearts or make a puff ball or some sort of tassel-like thing or whatever. We're going to wrap this up, and I'm going to clip in another gnome I made over with different kind of yarn I put up for Christmas. I decorate a little bit of dusty pinks and blush pink in my home and for the holidays. I appreciate it if you've actually made it to the end of the video. Thank you for stopping by. Comment, share, subscribe. Give a little love. It actually helps us YouTubers a lot. You have no idea actually how much that kind of stuff helps us. Alrighty, thanks again. Happy Valentine's Day.